Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? Mike Allen here, and if you are a subscriber to me, which if you're not, you should be, you know that I specialize in CPA and affiliate marketing. I give all kinds of trainings. I show people how to do this full-time from home and make a great living doing so, and I also do product reviews, which is what I'm going to do inside of this video right now. The product that I'm reviewing is called App, and basically what this is there are people creating new apps every single day, okay? And they have to get their exposure somehow. So you actually get paid whenever you test out these new apps. Now it could be it could be any kind of app. It could be a game. It could be a word processor app. It could be, just anything and everything that you would actually find on an app store, which I think is cool because me personally, I'll get on the app store and I will find apps. I'll look for apps for like an hour at night while I'm just kind of chilling out. And I'll be like, oh, cool, this app, I never knew this even existed, you know? And you get to see all these new cool apps before a lot of people even know or even heard of them. And basically what you do is you sign up for this, and there's a wide variety, a great selection of apps that you can do, and you can just do app after app after app. Now you download the app, you test the app, you give a review on the app, tell people what you thought about it, just like you would in the App Store, and then you make money doing that. Now, are you going to get filthy rich doing this? Probably not. I don't know how many apps you're going to do, but you're getting paid to review apps, and you're going to find all these awesome apps, which some people, I see some bad reviews on it, but come on. Are you going to be a multi-millionaire by doing app reviews? Really? Come on, people. Open your eyes. I find this very, very awesome because, just like I said, you get to see all these new apps before people even have a clue as to what they are. You can share them with your friends. You can tell people, hey, I just got this new app. It just came out. Go check this out. And that is going to, it's going to make you kind of an authority figure on the new apps online. People are going to be like, what's out now? What's the new apps? What's the hot stuff out? People are going to come to you and find out. Hell, you can make a channel on it if you wanted to. But I highly suggest checking it out. If you're an app nut like I am, you like to see all the new cool apps that come out and you want to test them out and actually get paid for it, why not? So you're going to see a link in the description. You're going to come to a page just like this. Get paid to test new apps. That's all there is to it. You download the app, you run the app or play the game, you get paid. So come over to this page, click the link down below, put in your name, your email address, and I'm going to send you directly to the App Coiner page, and you're going to be able to start downloading these apps and start getting paid. Now, the reason that I have the opt-in form here instead of just sending you directly to it is because you're going to have my email address whenever you opt into this, and I'll be able to send you support. If you need help with something, I can actually be there to help you instead of you having to wait a week or so for somebody to get back to you on this. I'll be able to help you. So put in your name, your email address, and then go over to the app and just get started. Start checking out all these hot new apps and see what you think. If you like this video, subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and just let me know what you think. So I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you guys soon.